Okay, this is Taylor Atkins again, and now I'm going to teach you how to construct two-dimensional figures with using lines of symmetry, using concrete models. And so my concrete model is this geoboard, and I have some rubber bands. So I'm going to start with a square on my geoboard, and you have to know if there is any lines of symmetry within this square. And so there is actually several lines of symmetry in the square, and I'm going to show you by placing rubber bands along the lines of symmetry. So this is a vertical line of symmetry, which means if I folded it in half like this, each side of the square are identical to each other. So that's one line of symmetry. And then there's also a horizontal line of symmetry, which goes this way. And so you could fold it in half like this, and the top and the bottom of the square would be identical if folded in half. There is two more, and one is going diagonal this way, so you could fold the square in half along that line of symmetry, and this side of the square would be identical, and they'd also form triangles. The last line of symmetry is also diagonal, but it's going the opposite diagonal direction. So if you folded it in half this way along this line of symmetry, each side of the square would be identical to each other. So that's one way you can do it. And then there's another way where you can just have your students create any shape that they want. Let's see, I'm just going to create this shape, just a crazy shape. And you can ask your students if they can find any lines of symmetry within this shape where they could fold it over in half, and is there any way that they could create a line of symmetry. And you just have to basically try and fold it in half in your head and see if there's any lines of symmetry in this shape. And as far as I can tell, there is no line of symmetry. That's it.